Got 2 smash burgers cooking on my flat top. Got a couple eggs sitting there waiting to go on and some bacon. It'll be good. Can't wait. I just slapped some habanero cheddar cheese and egg on top of those after flipping them. We're going to put our lid on there. Oh, I can't wait. Look at those 2 things of beauty. Oh my. Bust the yolk on there. We'll get a nice sauce when we put the bun on. Oh my gosh, look at that. There's mine. And there's my son's. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Easy peasy. That's all. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.